Ooh, Benny, that sneeze went everywhere.
Germs can fly when we sneeze.
We fly, we spread, we jump on your head.
Benny, when you sneeze, use your elbow like this.
Like this?
Yes, good job, Benny. Cover your sneeze, stay clean and bright.
Friends, always sneeze into your elbow or tissue. Let's begin to laugh together. Hello, my friends. I am Bunny from Wise Whiskers. Do you know what to do when you want to sneeze? Always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you sneeze. Don't sneeze on people or food because germs can spread. After sneezing, throw the tissue away and wash your hands with soap and water. Remember, good manners keep us healthy and fit. Stay clean, stay kind, and keep smiling. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Bye-bye.